Yes guys, welcome back. I hope you guys liked the last video. Now we are living on the 10th of January. 1 week passed by, everybody went back to work again. So back to the normal life. Oh, it's so cold. It's -fucking 7 today. Insane. This doesn't stop us to go to the gym, even though look at these roads. Like everything is frozen, guys, and it's super dangerous to drive at the moment. But nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Many times I'm too lazy. I just make the shake, and then I think like, this is dirty already. So if I put it in my other cup, then two things are dirty. So I'm like, fuck it, I just bring the mixer. I want to tell you a bit more about my supplements that I'm using, since I got a lot of questions about it. I'm super lacking with all these kind of resources. So basically what I do use and what I used to use. I've always had maybe a bag of protein powder in my home in case I'm just feeling like I need an extra meal. So the thing is, I really didn't use it that much till maybe one bulk session where I went from 65 kilos to 72. That was when I was about 21 years old, and that's when I picked up my first bag of protein powder. But don't consider this to be my main source of food, because at this period of time I was eating 2 hot meals a day. So that means at the lunch I was eating the pasta with some veggies and some meat already, and then in dinner I did this again. In the morning I always eat my shake and some yogurt, but very good yogurt with fats and protein. So yes, what I'm using now, basically, long story short, creatine we have, mass gainer we have. The vanilla taste never gets boring, honestly, and you can mix it with bananas or like anything like that. So yeah, that's it, man. Just take a yogurt or quark. I don't know if it's the name in English, because this I always bring to work to stay super shredded. It's super healthy for you as well. Just put some honey and you don't get bored of it, or maybe some fruits. All right. Happy to see you guys back again. Hope you all had a blessed New Year's celebration. Yes, time to grind, boys. See you in the gym. Peace! back in the car. Did a leg day today. I didn't film too much, to be honest, because I went a bit late for the weekend. Today I showed up at the gym at 9:30, and actually it was the first time that there was not only the owner with some trainee of him. So basically for me the gym was packed today. It was about probably 20 people inside, and that's a blessing to be able to say that the gym is packed when there's only 20 people inside. So overall, I can barely walk anymore on my legs. Focused mainly on squats. I did 5 reps of it. No, did 5 sets of squats, excluding the warm-up. After I did some lunges. Couldn't film too much overall, but yeah, overall, damn, the leg press killed me insane. I have 55 kilos on that, super clean form. On the squats I hit 30 kilo times 6, so it's a 3 rep improvement. There's some new machines there I've never tried in my life, so it's a bit figuring out what weights I'm at, since I just signed up for this gym maybe for 2 months now, almost. I don't even think so, it's 2 months. Probably I've been officially a member here since beginning of December, honestly. So still many things to explore. And I saw also they have a rope. They just fixed it, the rope coming from the roof, so that's gonna be a nice video and a nice challenge. I will do something with that. Yeah, overall happy again, smashed it. I'm feeling good, got a lot of motivation now to keep on posting my journey to YouTube for you guys. I think it's a very, very special year upcoming. We're gonna definitely have a lot of changes in my life will definitely happen, because my mindset completely switched and I'm super consistent in almost everything I do at the moment. And giving up is no option anymore. So this year it's going all in, and next year as well, and next year. So with that being said, hope you all had a nice watch. I hope you all have a nice weekend, and yes, bless you all and your journey as well, man. Peace.